Hello everyone. Today we are continue lesson addition and number block. Let's start. 6
I1 plus
11
I1 equal
17 7
I1 plus
15
I1 equal
22 20
I1 plus
1
I1 equal
21 17
I1 plus
4
I1 equal
21 17
I1 plus
3
I1 equal
20 5
I1 plus
10 17
I1 plus
14
I1 equal
31 15
I1 plus
1
I1 equal
16 18
I1 plus
7
I1 equal
25 8
I1 plus
2
I1 equal
10 6
I1 plus
7
I1 equal
13 12
I1 plus
7
I1 equal
19 5
I1 plus
16
I1 equal
21 1
I1 plus
5
I1 equal
6 It is so easy and it look unhappy. Really? 7
I1 plus
20
I1 equal
27 18
I1 plus
16
I1 equal
34 19
I1 plus
19
I1 equal
38 It is a big number and you look surprised. Why? 3
I1 plus
12
I1 equal
15 1
I1 plus
6
I1 equal
7 3
I1 plus
9
I1 equal
12 15
I1 plus
6
I1 equal
21. 1.
I want blood.
4.
I want equal.
5. 20.
I want blood.
2.
I want equal.
22. 5.
I want blood.
16.
I want equal.
21. 12.
I want blood.
19.
I want equal.
31. 9.
I want blood.
8.
I want equal.
17. It is a beautiful and it look very happy. I want happy and I want beautiful. 12.
I want blood.
4.
I want equal.
16. 9.
I want blood.
19.
I want equal.
28. 20.
I want blood.
6.
I want equal.
26. 4.
I want blood.
13.
I want equal.
17. 9.
I want blood.
10.
I want equal.
19. 4.
I want blood.
14.
I want equal.
18. 6.
I want blood.
19.
I want equal.
25. 18.
I want blood.
13.
I want equal.
31. Proof.
I want blood.
18.
I want equal.
20. And your lesson in the end. Goodbye. See you again in next lesson.